One of the most common maintenance tasks that is performed by all operators is that of tip cleaning or nozzle dressing. Nozzle tips may become restricted or blocked by metal spatter. A blocked nozzle will cause the flame to become distorted, yielding poor weld results. Restrictions also are a major cause of backfiring and flashback. Dressing begins as demonstrated using a smooth, flat file to remove a minimal amount of metal in order to restore the nose to a flat condition. After filing, the orifice must be cleared of debris and restrictions. This is achieved using a nozzle cleaner. Nozzle cleaning kits comprise a selection of various sized orifice files or wires. Begin by selecting a wire smaller than the orifice and work up to a wire that matches the original orifice size. The orifice is cleared or reamed by the action of the wire as demonstrated. It is important that the wire is kept as straight as possible during this operation, in order to prevent a condition known as a bell mouth. A bell mouth is the widening of the orifice, and this will result in poor flame and bad weld results. In accordance with modern safety practices, it is considered essential that all torches on a regular basis be tested to ensure that they do not leak at any of their connections or joints. It is recommended that leak detection fluid, not soapy water, is used for leak detection procedures. The following demonstration illustrates how typically a balanced pressure torch is tested. With the gas supply connected and both regulators adjusted to the specified working pressures, and with both valves closed, spray a little leak fluid onto the inlet connections. The absence of bubbles indicates a good gas-tight connection. Next, apply leak detection fluid to all the other joints and connections along the torch. When this has been done, open the oxygen valve and with a gloved hand block off the escape of gas at the nozzle tip. The formation of bubbles at any joint connection or valve should be noted. Secure any possible loosened joint, and where this action does not cure the problem, remove the torch from service and have it repaired by an authorized dealer. Testing an injector torch follows identical procedures as demonstrated with the balanced pressure torch. However, a further test is made to check the integrity of the O-ring seal between the mixer and the stock. Depending upon the configuration of your torch connection, you may have to first shut off the acetylene gas supply before moving on to the next step. Now, disconnect the acetylene inlet hose from the torch, and then fully open the acetylene torch valve. Next, fully open the oxygen valve. With oxygen flowing, lightly hold a finger onto the open acetylene inlet connector. A slight suction will be noticed if the mixer O-ring seal is in proper working order. Remember to close both torch valves and reconnect the supply at the end of the test.